how to print frozen beans in every pages in Excel. Hello everybody, in order to do so you may follow up the simple steps. So open up Excel on your screen and you should be finding this interface. From here what you can do is head over and open up one of the Excel. For example, this one right here. Once you open it up, you can just go ahead and look out for the page layout option on your top of your screen. Click on it, and after clicking on it, on page layout, you should be finding an option called print, this one right here, titles. So just go ahead and click on it and you will be finding this pop-up page setup. In this rows to repeat at top, you need to type in S1 is equal to S1. And on the second columns to repeat at left, you can type in SA. And just go ahead and enter it on this section. Once you've done that, all you gotta do is simply click on OK, or you can print it directly, and that's it. So that is it for now. You may follow this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.